Hi everyone, this is Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 24 inch or 30 by 60 centimetre canvas, and I've put some black paint on it. I'm going to do a swipe, but I'm going to set it up a little bit differently to the way I usually see them done and the way I do them, you know, where you just do this and that and swipe them. So what am I using? Black obviously, white, turquoise, vermilion and yellow ochre, which is really one of my favourite colours. And to the turquoise and part of the white, I've put some Cell Maker, which is Schwarzkopf 6 Miracle Hair Oil. Okay, so that's the one I'm using. And so I'm going to start putting my colours on, up, across, a bit more maybe, yes. There's my turquoise, and now the vermilion. And a little bit of the white can go in there, and a little bit of white across here. And yellow ochre. And we still have some colours left, so I might as well put them on. I might use the same order. Sometimes I mix the orders up just to be, you know, different, but right. And the ochre. And I don't know about it. I might put some white at the bottom here. Right. Now I'm going to swipe with white just to see what happens. And now I swipe from that end, and I have a couple of pieces. It's actually A4 photocopy paper. And right, it's going to come right the way down, so let's just see how we go. From here, paper. Trying not to lean into it. Right. I have to just, whoops, don't wiggle. Okay. Pop it over so I'm not wearing it. And before it does anything, take it over the edge. Oh, there you go, that way. Please. Let's got that one done. This is going to be interesting. Come on, over you go. That's it. Straighten him back up. Might take a bit more of that white off that end. That corner. Right. And then down to me. Over this sort of side. Come on. Okay. And then maybe back a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just run around here some of that off there. There. And I'm going to rinse my hands off and get my heat gun onto this and see what we have, because it's looking really nice. Worry about the camera. Maybe knock the whole lot over then. That is coming up lovely. I'm just going to tell you that the recipes for the paints and pouring medium and my coffee, no, the coffee recipe's not there. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium you'll find below Show More under the video. There is no Floetrol in the pouring medium or the paints. So that's just PVA glue and water, 60-40, water 40, with the Schwarzkopf 6 Miracle hair oil in the turquoise and part of the white. And as you can see, plenty of activity there, and it's a very nice painting, very happy with it. And even the stuff on the table, if I move that, can you? No, you might not be able to see. Let me move this just across here, and I'll move this, and then on the table you can see there where it's stripped off, and it's, you get over there, you're going to touch my painting, get off. There we go. When that dries, that's going to make some beautiful skins. So I'm very happy here, and I'm just sort of dawdling a little bit so that these cells get a chance to grow. So I'll wipe my hands off, and then I'll bring you down to have a closer look. And I'm really stoked. This is really nice. And I've got little bits of paint left, and I'll be able to do a smaller one using those same colours. Yes. Actually, I might just tilt it a bit that way. Stretch these other orangey vermilion cells out. Take that blue, there, like that. That's what I like. Ha. Now that is really good. Okay, so I'm going to bring you down. Take a little look, and try not to smash my $1,000 camera. What's money? Can I show you there's some of the skins from underneath it dripped off. How pretty are they? Another little one here. And some plainer stuff under there. Yeah. Alright, so here's the painting. And this is what you were looking at. But I get it in. That's what I was looking at. So here we go. And I really like this one. Those colours are absolutely beautiful. that noise you might hear in the background is the towie's taken a car away. There was an accident out the front earlier. Not that it's too badly damaged, but one of the wheels isn't very good, so it won't go around. Alright. Oh, nobody was hurt. I love it. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.